Hi kids, welcome to Pikachu Kids. Today we are going to learn safety rules. So let's get started. Safety on road. Always go out with your elder, especially while crossing the road. Always walk on the pavement. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. Do not play on the road, you may get hurt. Always follow traffic signals. The red light says stop, the yellow light says wait, and the green light says go. Safety at home. Do not jump on bed or sofa. We should not play with sharp objects such as knife, blade or scissors. Stay away from fire. Do not play with matchstick. Never touch electric wires or sockets with wet hands or without wearing footwear. Never run on wet floor. You may slip and get hurt. Always be safe while burning crackers. Safety at school. Be careful while going up or down the stairs. Always walk in a line without rushing or pushing anyone. Do not push each other on swings. Do not jump on the chairs or desks. Safety in the bus and car. Always wait in a line for the bus and do not stand near the door of the bus. Never disturb the driver. Never put your head or arms outside the window of a moving car and bus. Always wear a seat belt in the car. Always wear a helmet while driving two-wheeler. Safety while in the pool. Do not go alone for swimming. Use swimming tube if you are learning swimming. Do not go into deep water. Thanks for watching Pikachu Kids. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.